So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to connect and pair Vizio Soundbar to a projector, HDMI, Optical, AUX and audio and Bluetooth. Method first is HDMI ARC. Plug one end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI ARC port on the projector and connect the other end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI out or HDMI EARC port on the Vizio Soundbar. Turn on both the projector and soundbar, then access the setting menu on the projector. Navigate to sound or audio setting, then select HDMI ARC or external speaker as the primarily audio output. Second method is digital optical for 3.5 mm aux. Connect one end of the optical or 3.5 mm aux cable to the audio out or line out port on the projector. Plug the opposite end into the optical in or aux in port of the Vizio soundbar. Then turn on the soundbar. Press the input button on the soundbar top panel or remote until the LED indicates the correct input. Then check for projector setting to ensure the audio output is set to audio out or line out. Third method is Bluetooth. Turn on the Vizio soundbar, then press and hold the Bluetooth button on the soundbar or remote for 3 to 5 seconds. Observe the LED indicator blinks blue, indicating the soundbar is searching for device. Turn on the projector and access its settings. Select the Bluetooth menu and choose to scan for available devices. Once the Vizio soundbar appears, select it to complete the pairing. The flashing blue light on the soundbar will turn solid when paired. Thanks for watching.